Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome to lesson 3.1.3 on simple intrabeat elongations. It's a lot of words. So simple, we know, moving with the feeling of twos, 1D, 2D, 3D, 4D. Now we're going to be looking at elongations in this unit. We've been looking at rhythms as like visual patterns. Specifically, beams help us tell what's within a single beat. The only basic visual patterns left to learn are these elongations, where individual notes are extended over a microbeat, over a macrobeat, something like that. And specifically, we're going to be looking at intrabeat elongations, where individual microbeats are extended, but still within a single beat. So here, we have a dotted eighth followed by a 16th note. So the dotted eighth, because it's an eighth note, has a single beam. The 16th note has two beams, so you get this incomplete beam. It's a beam that goes off to nowhere. And here it points left, here it points right, here this one points right, and this one points left. So how do you know? With an incomplete beam, you want it to point towards the missing half of the microbeat. So this dot, eighth note plus a dot, is 1.5 eighth notes, also known as 3/16 notes, which you can get by tying an eighth note to a 16th note like that. That's all I want to do. So 16, 16. And the point here is that the beam points towards the missing microbeat. This microbeat is actually hidden in the dot, but the beam still points that way because that's where it is. So you have 1, me 2, me 3, me 4, me. You have 1K, 2K, 3K, 4K, and then you have 1K, me 2K, me 3K, me 4K, me. And these are all just variations on 1K, me, 2K, me, 3K, me, 4K, me. Here are some examples of rhythms that have these simple intrabeat elongation patterns. So for instance, if we look at line 7, 1, 2K, me 3, me 1K, 2K, me 3D, 1, 2K, me 3, me 1D, me 2D, 3. That's how it would sound. I'll do one more. Let's look at line 5. 1, 3K, me 4, 1K, 2K, me 3D, 1D, me 2K, 3K, 4, 1K, me 2K, me 4D. So that's what's going on here. 3 new patterns to work with, and I will see you next time.